Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran. In this video, I will be talking about jump search algorithm. In my previous video, I've been talking about various types of search algorithm. We started with the linear search, then to the binary search, to the depth first search, to the breadth first search, and now we will be talking about jump search algorithm. Now, how does jump search algorithm work? If you have a list of uh, if you have a list of items, in this regard, this list must be in an orderly manner. Then what this algorithm is going to do is that it's going to divide your list into a smaller block. And when it divides it into a smaller block, it's going to pick the first block and conduct a linear search on it. Don't forget that in my first video about linear search algorithm, I told you that linear search is that it's going to be comparing a target item you are looking for with every bit of the item in the array. So in this regard, jump search is going to divide the list into numerous blocks. Let's say for instance it divided this into two. Then pick the first block and compare the target with each element of the first block. If it finds it, it's going to return the index. If it doesn't find it, it's going to go to the next block and conduct another linear search. If it finds it, return the index number. Otherwise, return that the item is not available on that particular list. I have a snippet here to show you to demonstrate jump search. So this is what it's going to do. If you look at this, so I import math because we're going to be doing some arithmetic operation here. So jump, we have an array and we have a target. Now let me show you my array. This is my array of numbers and my target is this. So what this is going to do is that, okay, it's going to divide it into smaller blocks. Let's say it divide it into two. So if it divided into two, this is going to be the first block and it's going to conduct linear search. Is 6 and 0 the same thing? No. With 1, with 2, with 3, with 4. Therefore, as check through the first block and it's not there. Then it's going to pick the second block. Do we have this here? No. Is it this one? Yes. Then it's going to return the index of the array. So let's run this code and see element found at index 6. And if you remember from our indexing class, I told you that the first item is on index 0, the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0, the last index, and 6 is on index 6. That is why it returns 6. So far so good. This is going to be the end of our lesson on search algorithm. If you have any question or comments, please don't hesitate to put it on the comment section. I will definitely respond to it. I would like you to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Please share this video with your friends and family. They're going to love it. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.